Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Fred. Mookie's not here, but make sure you stay till the very end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. We got a great episode today for Appies with Chappie by the lake, this lake here. I'm going to make chicken fried bacon. Now, if you're not from Texas, you might not know the term chicken fried does not necessarily imply there's chicken in it. A basic chicken fried steak is beef, actually. So I'm just going to take some bacon and chicken fry it. Basically fry it like you would fry chicken, but there's no chicken in there, just to be clear. All right, so we're going to make a drink first. I got my trusty bartender's guide here. And we're going to do something tropical today. This is called a beach cooler. It's a blended slushy type drink, so I got my blender here. I got some ice in the blender. And it calls for 1 ounce of 151 proof rum. I just have some aged white rum today. So we'll go 1 ounce of rum and 1 ounce of Cointreau. And then 1 1/2 ounces of lime juice. I just got some fresh lime here. Sometimes I cheat and use the plastic one. So that was 1 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Get all that goodness in there. And then 2 ounces of papaya nectar. And then we'll get that blended up. I'll just plug it in. Oh, Fred doesn't have an outlet. So we'll take this in the house and blend it up. And we'll have this with my chicken fried bacon coming right up. All right, I'm gonna do my chicken fried bacon. So I got my bacon on skewers. If you have a really thick cut bacon, you probably don't need the skewers, but these days, at least in Canada, thick cut bacon, at least these days in Canada, thick cut bacon costs a fortune. And then I just made a beer batter, a little flour, some seasoning, and some beer. And then I got some panko Japanese breadcrumbs. And then, oh, my oil is nice and hot, so we'll get that going. We'll just do a dunk. We'll give it a little sprinkling of the panko. And we'll get the rest of these on in there and see how it goes. That's my chicken fried bacon. Looks mighty crispy. We'll get that plated up.
Gazing at you.
Badger, do you want some chicken fried bacon? Well, sorry, you can't have any, buddy.
Too salty.
No, too salty. Go, be gone. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.